We are back from my little weekend trip up north to my buddy's cabin. Had a lot of fun this week, and I didn't really film anything. I'll probably maybe put some clips in of just a short clip of our night ride, but other than that.
Some darkness going.
I didn't really record much. My dad recorded me actually patching the tire on the side-by-side. So yeah, we ran over some stick or something on one of the forest roads, and had to patch it up on the side of the trail. Took 3 plugs, so that was quite a bit of plugs.
So this is part of adventure. Tires should not look like that for sure. Should be more round, right, Martin?
That is correct.
But he's ready. Got a nice compressor, so we'll try to fix it up and keep going. More to come. There's gonna be round, or we're gonna have a plan B.
I have tire plugs. If there's a,
Oh,
if there's
but yeah,
something.
finding it. We have to pee on it, I guess.
I have to pee anyways.
Oh yeah. So why don't you pee on tire, right? This is part 2 of that hole probably will need 2 plugs.
At least, yeah.
Yeah, I mean. So this is the kit on Amazon that we get to. Do we get like promotion money for it?
No, we don't. We don't get any promotion.
But
money.
looks beefy.
Yeah, it comes with a ton of these.
We probably need more than one, I tell you, because how easy the tool went in. Okay, so Martin's ready with everything. I think we're gonna be just fine. One plug is good, but 2 plugs are better.
We need 2 plugs.
2 plugs. Well, we have more. We have 10 of them. Hopefully, the 2 will be enough, right? So this is 1 plug in, but it's still leaking, not much. So this is a beautiful area. If we are stuck here, we don't have cell service. So we gotta fix the machine one way or another. So 1 plug was not enough. 2 plugs are better, but guess what, Martin?
Need a 3rd one.
3 plugs, baby. We have 7 left after the 3rd one, right? So when we get to the better area, we gotta text mother that we have a slight delay. Hopefully success. 3 plugs later. Tires around. We'll be on our way soon. Martin, hopefully success.
Hopefully success.
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to unload the machine, jack it up, pull the tire off, and then probably take it to the shop tomorrow, hopefully, and hopefully I can patch it. If they can't patch it, well then, let me tell you about plan B. You probably didn't know I even had a plan B, but it was just kind of the plan all along. I bought some Takeoff X3 rims, so they're off a Maverick X3. The same bolt pattern. They're just actually slightly bigger. They're 14-inch rims versus 12. So my plan was to get 2-inch spacers and then put, I think, 28s on it, so they're a couple inches bigger. Same ratio, I guess, but a couple inches in size. So if we can't get the tire fixed, I'm not gonna spend money on buying the same old tire. I might as well upgrade all of them, which was kind of expensive, but we'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Let's get this thing unloaded. And the context behind me needing to do this kind of tonight, even though it's kind of 8 or 9 p.m. already, is in less than 2 weeks I'm going up to the UP with my buddy from work, and we're doing like a little overland trip. So that's going to be kind of need to have a good tire for that. So it's going to be three nights out in the UP, kind of riding every day. So I need to make sure it's squared away before then, one way or another. got the machine in. That is the plug kit. So it took 3 plugs to get that thing to stop leaking air. So now what I'm gonna do is pull the tire off so I can throw it in the truck and take it to a tire shop tomorrow. Hopefully they can fix it, at least give a significant patch rather than my just plug job before I go to the UP, and if not, then as you heard, I'll be getting those tires ordered. I ordered the spacers just in case already because I can easily return those for now. But yeah, we'll see how she goes. Well, now that we get this side off, we'll check out the brakes, make sure those are good. I'm gonna go rinse off the old tire so it's not super filthy tomorrow, and I'm actually gonna test fit one of the rims just to make sure that the bolt pattern is the same, which it should be. So. Well, it fits as the internet said it would. They also said that these, since there's 6+1 offset, they sit pretty close there. So when I put some 10-inch tires, they're probably gonna, 10-inch wide tires are gonna rub on that. So bring some spacers to kick it out a little bit. And yeah, we'll go from there. That is all for now, folks. I'll see you in the next part of this video, probably tomorrow or whenever I put the rim on, if I can get the tire patch. So I think I should be able to. It's not too bad of a spot. It's not like in the sidewall or anything. So catch you guys then. Alrighty, I'm back here again. I got the tire fixed. I can kind of show you the rough plug kit that they did. So it's a bit more of a proper plug than what I had. So what I'm going to do is I already added some rubber cement to it. I'm going to add a little more to fill in that hole, and it'll probably be good for our trip. Obviously probably by next season I'm going to want to get new tires anyways, but that should be good. I did get the spacers in, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox those, and we'll get those installed on there. See if these things fit. Pretty nice looking. like they fit. Looks like these fit too. Alright, got the spacer on. I was just doing some research on how much thread engagement I have. They actually go down pretty far and they're torque to spec, and there's only missing maybe a thread or two so they don't poke out all the way, but it looks like they're tapered, so they self-centered it, so it looks like it should be good to go. I'll get the other sides on and we will go from there. The front spacers on, they're looking good. All it's nice and wide now. Did check the brakes in the front. It looks like the front pads need to be changed out, so I got kind of crunch time to get all this stuff fixed, but glad I checked it before our big trip. So, well, did a little test drive, made sure no crazy vibrations, seems to be okay. So I'm gonna probably get some brake pads ordered, and what else do I gotta do? Gotta make sure all the tires aired up to proper pressure. There's a slight pull to the left, but given it's a small machine and I sit on the left side, I think it normally did that. So yeah, just gotta check that stuff out. But yeah, I'll see you guys probably in the trip. I'm not gonna film the brake job. But yeah, I'll probably see you guys when we actually start heading out up north. See you guys then. Thanks for watching.